there, welcome to my channel. It is still Kachi right here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're not new, welcome back home. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair this Harmattan period, because Harmattan here in Osun State is it's crazy right here. So I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair. I can do this almost every day, like once in 2 days if I forget, but mostly every day. And this is how I maintain these my micro twists that I've had for 3 weeks now. So let's get right into it. Spray bottle with water in it. I just spray it around my hair like this, all over my hair, to the ends, tips, wherever, because the weather here, I want my hair to be fully moisturized, like fully moisturized. And yeah, my lipstick is by my liquid lipstick is by NYX. I love this lipstick like crazy. Like going with my one of these two, either Dark and Lovely, the Corrective Leave-In Conditioner, or Shanyi Organics Moisturizing Milkshake. I'll mix it. Mixer. Thing about Dark and Lovely is a little bit like more on the runny side. Shanyi Organics is thicker, which is better for Harmattan, because you want thicker products in your hair just to like prevent the moisture from going away and going out. And you're going to apply this lightly all around my hair. Any more stuff for my see, my hair is already bouncy, like see, it's already bouncy. Then I go in with my shea butter, because this helps me to retain moisture like crazy and helps make my hair strands stronger. I'm meant to section my hair and apply this, so let's just do that. So cute, so cute, my baby, so cute. Body, all the girls when they shake their body. Let me just play that song for a bit. You supposed to know, say me no be newcomer. So my baby make you no go dollar when the bed do day. So after this, I actually just apply my oil to my hair. I'm actually using, this is by Avila Natural. This is neem oil. Yeah, apply this just to my ends. While I take down the, see how bouncy, see how bouncy it is. Then I just apply it again to the back. And my hair is moisturized for the day. Yo girl, I just style it. It's either I pack it up or I just let it down. But since it's Harmattan, I always decide to pack it up because I don't want my hair to be dry as nothing. So, but then this is how I just go when it's not Harmattan season and I have my hair in micro twists. But if it's Harmattan, now it's Harmattan, I'm going to show you guys how I style it. I just divide the hair into two. And this is how I just style it and I go out. Like, yeah girl. This is how I style it and I go out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up down below, and yeah, comment if you like the video, if you're going to moisturize your hair this way. I tell you the LOC method. And if you are just coming in, please don't forget to subscribe again. Please don't forget to subscribe again. Please forget to subscribe again. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.